To download Trust Wallet on your PC, you will need to follow a series of simple steps. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements to run the wallet smoothly. Trust Wallet is available for Windows and macOS operating systems, so make sure you are using one of these. Start by opening a web browser on your computer, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Navigate to the official Trust Wallet website by typing in the URL. Be cautious of fake websites, and only download the wallet from the official site to avoid potential security risks. Once you are on the Trust Wallet website, click on the download button. You will be redirected to a page where you can choose the operating system you are using. Select the correct option, either Windows or macOS, and the download will start automatically. After the download is complete, locate the installation file on your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. Run the installer and follow the prompts to install Trust Wallet. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions and choose the installation location. During the installation process, you will be asked to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new wallet. You will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words used to recover your wallet in case you lose access. Make sure to write down the seed phrase and store it in a safe place. After the installation is complete, launch Trust Wallet on your PC. You will see a user-friendly interface where you can manage your cryptocurrencies, view your balances, and send or receive funds. To add a new cryptocurrency to your wallet, click on the plus icon and select the coin you want to add. To ensure the security of your wallet, make sure to set up a password and enable two-factor authentication. This will add an extra layer of protection to your wallet and prevent unauthorized access. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Trust Wallet interface and explore its features. You can find tutorials and guides on the official Trust Wallet website to help you get started. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can safely download and use Trust Wallet on your PC.